the GB40, an innovative, lightweight, and compact lithium-ion jump starter pack designed specifically for 12-volt batteries. This exceptional device empowers you to effortlessly jump-start a depleted battery within seconds, offering the remarkable ability to jump-start your vehicle up to 20 times on a single charge. The GB40 is more than just a battery jumper. It's a foolproof battery booster pack that ensures absolute safety for users of all levels. Safety is paramount, and the GB40 excels in this aspect. Incorporating advanced spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection, this device minimizes risks, rendering jump-starting procedures secure and hassle-free. Whether you're an experienced car enthusiast or a novice, you can confidently utilize the GB40 with peace of mind. One of the standout features of the GB40 is its integrated high-output 100-lumen LED flashlight, equipped with an impressive array of 7 lighting modes. These modes include low, medium, and high settings, as well as attention-grabbing options like flashing, strobe, and emergency SOS modes. This versatile flashlight ensures you're equipped to handle various situations, from basic illumination to urgent signaling. Worried about the GB40 losing its charge? Fear not. This remarkable jump starter pack retains its charge for an impressive duration of up to 1 year without requiring recharging. Not only does the GB40 possess the capability to revive your vehicle's battery, but it also serves as a lifeline for your personal mobile devices. Compatible with smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices, the internal battery pack can recharge your gadgets when you're on the go. Alternatively, you can conveniently recharge the GB40 via any powered USB port, ensuring its availability whenever you need it. Performance is at the core of the GB40's design. Rated at an impressive 1000 amps, this jump starter is adept at tackling gasoline engines up to 6.0 liters and diesel engines up to 3.0 liters. From cars and motorcycles to ATVs and boats, the GB40 is a versatile companion suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including trucks, RVs, SUVs, and even lawnmowers. In summary, the GB40 is the ultimate solution for portable car battery charging and jump-starting needs. Its compact design, robust safety features, high-output LED flashlight, extended charge retention, and multi-device charging capabilities set it apart as a must-have tool for any vehicle owner. Don't be caught off guard by a dead battery. Make the GB40 an essential part of your vehicle's emergency kit today. What's in the box? GB40 Portable Car Battery Jump Starter Pack, Heavy-Duty Battery Clamps, 12-Volt Car Charger, Micro USB Charging Cable, Microfiber Storage Bag, User Guide for Jump Starter, 1-year Limited Warranty, Warranty and Support Return Policy, Voluntary 30-day Return Guarantee. You can return many items you have purchased within 30 days following delivery of the item to you. Our voluntary 30-day return guarantee does not affect your legal right of withdrawal in any way. You can find out more about the exceptions and conditions here. Manufacturer's warranty can be requested from customer service. Click here to make a request to customer service. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you liked the video, please like, comment and share. And of course subscribe our channel to get new product updates. If you want to buy this product, the link will be given in the first comment of the video and you can order from Amazon